Hello and welcome. How are you doing today? Today I'd like to show you that how to use this electric saw what I have in here. And this is interesting machine because we can cut different plates like wood and hardwood and also metal and aluminium plates. And there is this my machine, and next we look at a little bit closer. Okay, and this is like electric saw, and there is this cutting plate, and this machine works so that there is this on and off trigger 0 and 1, and when I insert that in here, okay, and then there is the speed meter, and now it's full speed, but when I rotate this speed to 0, it is like 2. Now this is the smallest one, and then I insert this off. Now this saw don't move, that when I rotate that little bit in here, number 2, it starts to move. And this is on and off. And then remember, this tool is dangerous because this part, it could cut my finger very easily, like in that way that I might insert my finger in here, and then I come in this cutter in here and I do like cutting in this way, and then I have shorter this finger. And that's be carefully, and always best way is that be so away in that cut almost 5 inches distance. Do not ever insert, this is like 5 inches in here. 1, 2, 3, 5. Always 5 inches rule this cutting blade. Okay, and this saw works so that idea is always that we do some hole in blade like in here, or then we start to cut this thing in this open area like in here, and then we move that cutting blade, and this part cuts this material. And next I will show that how to do this cutting. And first we need this blade, and first I do in here hole that we can run this machine, and I have in here big hole, and this is like my waist area, and I will do in that area hole in here, and then I like to cut in here that kind of area, and then I will do in nice curve and in here, and I will back in here. This is like road. Okay, and this is like starting point, and then I will cut with that tool, because this is so thin and this blade is so small that we can do like curves, these circular things. But first we need in here of course hole. And here is my drill, and I do first hole in here. Good. And there is my hole, and then I take brush away in this box, always be clean, and then I insert that my machine in here, and then remember, this is dangerous machine, we need a couple of protective things. First our ear protection, and then our eyes. Okay, and here is this eyes protection, because this blade can be cut and these metallic parts can hit to our eyes. And this is very noisy machine. And then there is also safety thing that we need actually eyes, ears, and then this breath system also, breathing system. Okay, and then when I start the job, I connect this electric saw cable in our electric cable place, and then I start this my machine. And now it moves, and be carefully, don't ever insert your finger in here. It's the most important rule. And do not insert your finger in here down, like in this way, because this blade and this saw moves in that way. And be carefully, and I use always my hand, one in here and one in here. And next I will show that how to drive this rod. Okay, and let's look. And these corners are difficult parts, and that's I need to move that like in reverse, like in parking, and I move forward and backward. Okay, and then I notice that it's too good to be the most fastest speed, and then I continue. Okay, good. And now there is this hole, it's ready. And there is my proof. And there is nice particle. There was even some parts were really hot. And now we have in here very nice hole. And that was this idea how to use that kind of electric saw. And this works really well. And these things, they are not very expensive. If you purchase this like poor quality saw made in China, this costs something like $30. And then if you choose the excellent quality, Makita quality, it's like cost something like $100. Okay, and this was this information, and thank you for watching this video.